With macOS 26, Apple has made significant improvements to Control Center. We can now add, remove, and rearrange its controls. Unlike previous versions, where certain controls were permanently set, options for adding controls were limited, and the order couldn't be rearranged. With Control Center open, head to the bottom and click the Edit Controls button. That brings up a large panel from which we can scroll through all the available controls, or click a category to view only those options. There is a wide variety of options available. We have 6 different screen capture controls available, 8 desktop and Finder controls, and even a calculator launcher. If I enter the term Voice up in the search field, a Control Center button for the Voice Memos app comes up. We can now drag this directly into Control Center. Or click the green Add button, and we can choose to add this into Control Center or put it up in the menu bar. Most Control Center items can also be added to the menu bar. And several can be set to only appear in the menu bar when active, such as the sound controls. This means this control will be visible in the menu bar only when sound is playing from an app on the Mac. From within Control Center while in edit mode, we can click and drag to rearrange items. Right-click on a control to change its size. We can choose from small, medium, or large. Small is just a circle with an icon. Medium is a pill shape that takes up half of one row in Control Center. And large will either be a square shape or an even more elongated pill shape. Currently, both the sound and display controls are set to large. If I make both medium, they can fit together in a single row. The small controls don't display the control's name, so if you have not memorized their icon, it can be hard to recall what each one does. Expand them to medium or large, and the name of the control will be displayed, which can make it a lot easier to quickly see what it is. Of course, we can remove any of these with a click on the minus button. We can use up to 8 rows of the grid here in Control Center, so there is quite a bit of space available, but you certainly don't need to fill this up. Having a minimal number of Control Center items can make it more convenient to use.